All right. So I came over to Alex's house to skateboard, and he unveiled this fantastic surprise. This is a freaking trampoline.
With a board.
Yeah, and I'm just saying, I don't even care to skate right now. I'm gonna jump on this trampoline. Dude, get out right now. I want to do it. You about like broke your neck, dude.
Yeah, I didn't flip on that at all.
Which brings me to the next part. We are, I'm gonna lie, we're not professionals, but you can try this at home. If you don't try this at home, don't even try this at home, you'll get hurt. All right, hold on. Like that. And your enemies are. All right, 720 backflip. Dude, if that was concrete, I would have just got a concussion and died. Oh! What was that, like the Indian sitting? Dude, that's not how you do it. You gotta use shoes, dude. What?
Let's go skate a microwave.
Let's go skate a microwave?
Yeah.
Alright. Dude, are you kidding me?
No, man.
We're gonna skate a microwave?
We're gonna skate a microwave.
Alright, let's do
I don't
this.
know what we're gonna do.
I'm gonna back nose blunt it.
Will you shut that door?
Yeah, I'll shut it.
Like, should we open up the door?
I don't know, but one trick and you busted a hole in the door.
Should we have the...
First try! Oh! You just did a first try! Damn it. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, there's no way. Alright, no, don't take the door off.
You wanna get this? There's my lace protecting thing. What is this?
That's a sock. Let's do this.
Yes.
What was that?
Dude, that was...
Oh, all right, no tries, dude.
Ouch.
My gosh, all right, it's too dark. And microwaves, you got like 3 tries on kickbacks and nose grinds, then it's done. All right, so, guys, the moral of today's video is trampolines are pretty cool, and microwaves suck to skate on. Just like to point out that I totally used the force to push over the microwave after I smashed the door off. Watch it again. Watch it freaking again. Did you just mean to do that? I wasn't even watching you.
Oh, that's great.
That was stupid. I'm just kidding, that was awesome.
Thanks, man.